ICSI अहमदाबाद चैप्टर ने गुजरात सरकार की पहल iHub के साथ मिलकर ICSI के सदस्यों के लिए एक पूरे दिन का सेमिनार आयोजित किया। कार्यक्रम का विषय MSME और स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में कंपनी सचिव द्वारा निभाई गई महत्वपूर्ण
Namaskar, my name is B. Narasimhan. I am the president of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which has its head office in the city of Delhi. Today I came here to attend one program, capacity building program on MSME and startup, which was done in the iHub. आपको innovation iHub का मालूम है, that is there in the Gujarat University. उनके साथ हमारी program किया था, and we had more than 200 professionals who attended this program. This was basically focused on what the company secretary can do for MSME startups and MSME and startup. As far as our program is concerned, we have about 73,000 students and over 2 lakh students and 70,000 odd members. And we find there is going to be a dearth of professionals in the years to come. हमारी जो है, in fact, in my conversation with the regulators, I've been told that we need to have larger number of members coming our way because there is going to be capital market का ही concentrate करते हैं, तो जिसमें आपका number currently अभी 73,000 है. By 10 trillion जो economy बनने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं government, that is by 2030, the number of members which will be required for servicing this economy would be in the range of about 95 to 1 lakh. And most importantly, विकसित भारत की बात करते हैं 2047 में, the number of members required for servicing the industry at that point in time will be in the range of 1,45,000 to 1,50,000 members. So this is the requirement. इसके लिए हम लोग इतना पूरा कोशिश कर रहे हैं मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स को लेके आने के लिए. एंड हमारी आज का दिन ये बता सकता हूँ, कोई भी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी नौकरी के बिना नहीं रहता. एवरीबडी गेट्स अ जॉब, immediately they get qualified, and the average pay scale is also gone up very high. It's in the range of 6 to 7 lakh minimum level में, although certain students get more than 12 to 15 lakhs also. तो यही currently हमारी है. So I request that ये जो highlight करने के लिए when you want to highlight that the importance of the role of company secretary in the country, in the economy, वो तो आपको highlight करना चाहिए. And because we are the governance professional, we are the professional who are closely working with the board of the company, board of directors के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, and we are one level below the board. So this is a very important role which will be performed, and जो